Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you how can fix the problem. So if you see an unknown network error has occurred when you're using Instagram, so how you can also fix it. So mostly it happens because you just have problems with your internet connection. So first thing you can try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, so just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait a second, and just power on phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it was successful installs latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.